this, guys. Look at Angie cooking. Alright, we're heading to a hike. Vlog number 8.
Very easy hike though.
Super.
The sun is setting already.
Yeah.
When we get there, the sun's gonna be set. Like,
Literally.
It's traffic. It's gonna take 13 minutes. Not that bad though.
Yeah. That's so cute.
Alright, guys, we're here.
It's a little cold.
It's really cold. That's only running. It's really pretty though. Look. Look at it.
What do you mean?
I don't think it shows on the camera.
Shut up!
Look, you can see only running. It's over there.
So
Right.
far, that's the hike.
I have to pee
That's true.
and I want to go home.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah. We asked that place right there, but they said no public restrooms. See you when we're at the top. We made it.
what the heck did you say? Children are dying while you enjoy this view.
What do you think about this? She ran it. How you feel?
Good. I feel like I could do it again. And then come back up. Red, do you want to wait here?
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Okay. Go.
Bye. Welcome to LA. That's downtown LA.
Mhm.
And if you step over on my side, what's your steps?
Yeah.
That's the Dodger Stadium.
Right there.
And my house is like right there. Zoom in.
Like right there.
Right there. Right there. That's my house.
It's really pretty up here. Okay, guys, we're here. We're going to a sleepover. 10 minutes away. Oni, Gam, and Angie, and once we get there. Alright, bro. I can't really see you, but
That's racist, bro.
that's not racist. It's because it's dark in here.
No, it's not. Oh.
Hi. It's green.
After all.
So we're just heading there right now. We're gonna work out too, cause the grind don't stop, dude.
Last minute sleepover too. It's crazy.
It is.
Last minute. It's always last minute, and then
Literally, Oni just said, "Oh, I'm gonna go to sleep to Hollywood," and I think I was the one who said sleepover, huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have our friend Angie coming along as well, soon to be sister.
Soon to be sister Angie. She's gonna come as well,
Yes.
and we're all gonna enjoy going over there.
Yeah. What movie should we watch? The Chosen? Oh, it's
That's
like
it's a show, yeah. What's a good Christian movie I've seen? You want to see a scary, well, not scary Christian movie, but it's kind of like,
Yeah, I get it.
yeah.
What is it called?
It's called The Remaining.
That sounds scary.
It's crazy, dude. We should see
I'm
it.
down to watch that one then.
Alright, we'll watch it. Alright. Bye-bye.
Hello. Who got this?
I did.
Thank you.
Yeah. I saw it in the best.
We're gonna give you guys a Ralph's haul for breakfast. Breakfast edition. Breakfast edition. Wait, well, Camila got honey bunches of oats.
And we got huevitos. These are good.
These are
I
the
love
best
these.
huevitos.
Brown. Look at this. Look at this.
Oil, bruh.
See?
Should have told me.
It says how they treat their chickens.
And then we got pineapple.
And then goat.
I didn't mean to get that. I'm gonna get cream cheese.
Wait, what'd you get?
What is
She
it?
got cottage cheese.
All natural.
All natural. You see?
I got cottage cheese instead of sour cream.
This is good.
I'm gonna get sour cream.
Oh my goodness.
We got ham.
We got chopped chilies. Am I about to take this home and steal it from them?
No.
Probably.
What chopped chilies are you talking about?
Banana peppers.
I love these.
And then we got a Vermont maple syrup breakfast sausage.
And obviously cheese. Mozzarella.
What was wrong with
cottage
And we
cheese?
got carb balance tortilla.
Healthy breakfast.
We're on a diet.
And that's it.
And the total was
I'll put it right here. How much total was?
it was all gone. Alright.
What is this?
It's good though. Cottage cheese is good.
Maybe we need to mix it?
No, it's good.
Brother,
Angie's getting ready for her interview.
I'm getting ready for Gyro.
Not for real, bro. I knew
No,
it.
it's good though. I'm gonna eat it. It's like sour cream. Just cheese in it. Alright, let's get to cooking.
Alrighty.
Butter, spray oil.
They don't have some?
No.
So you guys don't have oil?
Oh, I think they have oil. Oh, but I vegetable oil.
Just put a little bit.
Oil for your hair.
So just go back.
Oh, no, we don't. Sorry.
They have snacks too.
Salt.
Are we gonna eat it? No.
Ooh, wait.
Chicharron.
Oh, I took my bag back.
Bro was showing me how to get on, dude.
I don't like this, bro. Wait, got me one in the way, bro. Like this. Bro! Chill! Help! Help! Alright, come on, Karen.
Alright, chill. Alright, let's go inside.
Get in, get on. Alright now. Alright.
I'll just lay here. To be flipped at least a few times.
Bro, my phone.
Jingle around the clock.
Bro, why is it so dirty?
Wait, I want to get it. You too. We're going on a little adventure. We forgot butter and ketchup.
Like, idiot.
Where are we gonna get sour cream?
I don't know. You're not supposed to eat it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, me. I do know you.
Alright, guys. Trader Joe's haul.
Should I put the Christmas music?
Yeah. We got ketchup. We got cheese. This one.
Wait, what? Did you guys just come or no?
Yeah, literally right now.
Just got here.
You guys
Sour
have been so
cream.
quiet.
And butter. Try it.
I know. Hold on, I can't even open it. I can't open it.
All right. Cool.
Oh, this got everything for the fridge.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
Look at this. Half full or half empty? Let me know.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, guys. You're not eating your breakfast.
You're not locked in.
Just close, Michelle.
Oh, we don't need milk.
Got me the. Oh no. We don't need that either. We can leave it. We'll eat it. Oh, you gonna eat some right now?
I'm gonna eat it too.
You're gonna eat some right now?
Yes.
Whoa.
Pineapple.
Let's play some worship music.
Okay.
Chef Ren.
I cook a lot in my house because I'm the oldest. And if I don't cook, nobody eats, apparently. So I have to learn how to cook every day. I know how to make enchiladas. Not really mole, but kind of. I could make chilaquiles. I made camarones a la diabla. That was pretty good. Too spicy though. Wasn't edible. Did I still eat it? Yeah.
Byron, comment if your food is good, bro.
Half an hour.
Comment thumbs up or thumbs down, Byron.
Byron is my brother.
Should I go live?
On what?
I'm down.
The main one?
On TikTok.
I don't know.
Guys, this is how the food will look like. Yum.
Show them yours, Byron.
Oh, mine?
Oh, Byron.
Look, guys, I'm a true Mexican. I love my
Alright.
I'm just kidding.
I mean, there's a big one with the chilies.
Look, yeah, look, we're about to eat good, man. And see a movie too?
Don't play.
Yeah. The Remaining. That's the movie we're seeing. I recommend it for everybody to see.
Bro, you two better not than be
Alright, I'm gonna go
No, there's a
eat
big
now.
one with the chilies, bro. It was gonna last for 4 days.
Look at this, guys. Look at Angie cooking. Literally. Look, and then there's some eggs in there too. With
Look,
cheese.
ready?
We're gonna cook some sausages right now.
Yeah. Oh, these need oil though. No, not really.
Nah, not in my watch. And then Gum is taking care of the washing. Oh.
I'm not gonna have the cover. Do we have another cover?
A cover? Let me check. Bye-bye.